and we're at Winter Wonderland in the snow.
Woo, it's snowing!
Straight back from Dubai.
Woo, had nice fresh fresh from the sunshine into the snow. This is where we're heading.
Oh yes, and we're late.
We're a little bit late because of train difficulties, but it's all good.
Okay, so we've just come off the skating rink and it was snowing the whole time. It was so funny. I don't think any of us fell over properly, did we?
Apart from you, Michelle.
Huh? I didn't. I was doing 11. We're now going to get some tokens so we can go on some rides, as you can see. Rides and stuff. It's still snowing.
Michelle's going to go on this later.
So not going on that.
Heather's skiing with Father Christmas. It's that song again. Hi guys. Digging the snow?
Huh? I'm absolutely loving it.
It smells of food and I'm really hungry.
I'm gonna be on this winter. I love them. I don't like the taste, but I love to look at them.
What?
Those gingerbread things.
Oh.
How long does it took to put the London Eye up?
Whoa, it's moving! Come on then, Lily! What's that for your clogs?
Anytime I breathe. What?
Yeah, it is like Greece. You're the one that I wear. Hey, Stumpy. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. It's like makeup issues. Wow! Woohoo!
Oh my god.
What is wrong with this mirror? My eyes look funny.
Oh, what's this?
Those are.
It's like a mini one.
Oh yeah, this is a nice slimming one.
Oh, this is the mini one.
Yeah, after my diet.
Oh, it's a flat one.
This is me before my diet. Get out of it. Oh, I can't see anything. We're a bit scared about this. They're going to suddenly move. I wasn't looking where I was going. Whoa. Oh, I like these. These are quite cool. There's me. Makeup issues.
What's that?
The girls are attempting the hamster wheel. Come on then. I want to get him. Take a picture. You won't be taking a We're going. Huh? Yeah, the camera, we're going. Can you take my bag?
Can you film? Can you take pictures?
Yeah. Will you take my bag?
I was trying that's still filming.
Oh, my knees! Back.
I'm scared. How'd you get in?
Just get in. Take some pictures of it. I can't do it. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, it's awful. Heather, what happened? Oh.
That really hurt.
I know, I hurt my legs as well. Amy! Oh, that was quite traumatic. Oh, that's nice. Is it me you're looking for? We've just stopped off for some lunch in, I'm not sure what it's called. Oh, it's called
Special Saloon.
Spiegel.
What? Where are you getting that from?
Oh, that's not how you spell special.
I think it's meant to say special.
Oh, special saloon, and we've just got a table and we're going to order our food if the lady comes over and takes our order. Shrek's on over there.
Yeah, why Shrek? We want like Home Alone or something.
Yeah.
Excuse my hair and my makeup.
It's fine. We're all in the same situ, aren't we, Ev?
Yeah.
Can't be Ed. That wasn't very nice.
Welcome to Winter Wonderland. Hey, you! Yes, you over there.
You,
Come
Heather.
over here for a minute. Do you want to hear a Christmas joke? How does Rudolph know when Christmas is coming? He looks at his calendar.
That's bad.
There are 130,000 trees in the royal parks.
We are now going on the observation wheel. Woo!
Oh, I thought you were taking
But only better.
She's got Heather. Which one? That one.
This is where he's like this with all the things.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier, but no one clicked with this little plastic thing.
What's she talking about? Home alone. Oh,
Okay, we are now. Is it going?
yeah.
We're now in the pod. Personal overhaul device.
What it stands for?
Oh, this is not
I don't like going back.
We're in the pod. Look, but it's a bit steamed up. We're still at ground level. Still at ground level at the moment. We were going to wait till it got dark, but we were a bit worried that they were going to stop it because of the snow. There's Hyde Park. Whee!
Hello, Michelle. How the hell? Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year.
It's a granny.